Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your Asus ROG Phone 6. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Next is to find app, and it's called Microsoft Edge. Download it. When it's done, you'll be able to open it. From here, start customizing it. So choose to sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices. I'm gonna do it later. You can also enable or disable data sharing preferences. And here the browser is ready. So let's open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.